Hey guys,
Yo,
it's Ace Team, and today we're talking about what was it?
space.
Yeah, space facts.
So let's get to it then. So imagine you are in space without a spacesuit. What happens? First of all, you'll not get oxygen. And then you'll freeze and be dead. Well, that's not the case actually. Instead of freezing, you'll boil in space.
Yep, that's correct. That's because there is nothing for our body heat to be transferred to. Like in Earth, we transfer our body heat to the surrounding air. But in space, there's nothing, so our body heat remains in our body, thus increases the temperature. Ooh. So imagine he's a piece of metal from outer space, and I'm a piece of metal from outer space, and
So that's what happens in outer space. Two pieces of metal from outer space, if touched to each other, they mix, they weld, without heating. That's called cold welding. So you might be thinking that metals from spaceship or space stations do not weld to each other. Well, that's because earth metals have a layer of oxygen over them, which does not let them cold weld.
oh man, not again. Okay, so did you know that Venus spin backwards relative to other planets? Like, consider him as Venus, this idiot. Come on, spin man. And me as other planets. I spin backwards relative to him. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Did you know that 99.86% of the mass of the solar system is in the sun? Well, for example, take him. He constitutes 90% of the mass of his family.
You idiot!
No, sorry man, sorry.
So, did you know that I knew that the moon is drifting at a rate of 4 cm per year away from the earth? Imagine what happens if the moon isn't, there. There won't be werewolves. There won't be tides for surfing. Hey, where are you going? You're not drifting. The moon is. So, imagine you're traveling to the infinity of space. The chances of coming across space debris is 1 in 5 billion. Bad luck for him. He was struck by an asteroid that had a chance of hitting him of 1 in 5 billion. So, did you know that diamonds rain on Jupiter? Now that's because the pressure created by the air, the gas all around Jupiter compresses carbon directly into diamonds. Man, the aliens would be damn rich. What happens if we humans go to Jupiter?
Shine bright like a diamond.
Oh, diamonds! Yay!
So, did you know that we can see the past and travel to the future? How exactly? As you know, light takes time to travel to our eyes. So, there's a time difference. So, like for example, the North Star thing which we see is actually what the thing was 4 years ago. That means the North Star that was 4 years ago is seen by our eyes. And for future, now as you all know, time depends upon gravity. If the gravity increases, time also fluctuates. So, by going out of Earth orbit, you can become younger than everyone else. Like, if you go out of Earth orbit a little far, you'll be around 1 second younger than you are actually on Earth. And if you go too far away, you might be even 1,000 years younger.
Interstellar. So next up is antimatter. Antimatter is matter with opposite charges. So consider an electron. In matter, electron has a negative charge. But in antimatter, electrons possess a positive charge and thus are called positrons. Then here's an anti-me.
And here's my anti-me.
But we can't hurt each other because if antimatter touches matter, it disappears and radiates energy.
Whoa, stay on.
So, thanks for watching.
Please subscribe. What do we have to say, man? Nothing.